built on-chain wizard. So basically we have seen problems like where we want to understand how a smart, like how our protocol is performing, wanted to understand analytics related to our smart contracts, and it's been always a pretty much tricky to understand, decoding the events and then working with the raw data to get the insights for a smart contracts. So to basically automate that, I have built this on-chain wizard. So basically you just have to paste the smart contract and select the chain and it would work. Before moving to demo, I will just show example dashboard how it would look like. So it is a example dashboard for a smart contract related to auction. So it have things like bid submitted, total tokens, total unique bidders, and then the time series data related to cumulative bids and top bidders by volume, and there are different kind of insights that we get from it. So let's take example of another smart contract which is like a Uniswap auction for Octa. So let's just take their smart contract and just verify it's on Ethereum. So just select Ethereum and then we just go generate. It will ask for my email. So essentially once the analysis is done, it will send an automated email to my input email which I have given as a user, and it will start the process. So essentially the process look like it fetches the API of the smart contract using the Etherscan API, which essentially helps it to get the functions API function and help it to summarize the function definitions in our smart contract, which is fed to the LLM, which kind of help it to get the context like what the smart contract is doing and what different type of functions are present in the smart contracts. Let's wait for a while. And for now, like it has given like simple analysis like address, total API function, and it also gave like function wise analysis like what it thinks, what kind of a smart contract it is, what are its major functions which are included in the working of the smart contracts. So that kind of analysis runs for a while it creates like raw data tables on the Dune side. So yeah, let's wait for a bit till it and till it's process the information from different queries based on the data it has got on the raw DB. So then it will start running the query on the Dune side. So the Dune is the powering engine of this running of the queries. So it is using Dune API to run the queries on their end. So it will take a while, around like 100 seconds or something. So I will just probably skip it at the end, like to the end result in the editing. So here we have got the results, and it is like total bids submitted, total unique bidders, and total token bids. So there can be something like some issues related to the unit conversion which we can work around. So thing is, if you click here in this brackets, so it will show up as the like the exact SQL query that has been written, and we got also chance to save it to Dune. So which essentially saves it to Dune profile of mine, and it kinds of allow you to just open it using your account and just fork it and play around it. So it kinds of help you getting the boilerplate that you are looking to under that will be helpful for you to understand working of the smart contract, mainly understanding the what's the raw data is coming from the smart contracts. You just have to run it on your end on your account, and then it will show the data for you. So this is the data that we like insights we have got, like daily token bid volume or number of bids submitted. Then it will also show like partial bid exits and token claim frequency by owner. So these are long queries, so it might take a time. So this is essentially the demo that for the product that I have built, that is on-chain wizard. Also at the end, when the analysis completes, you will also get a email with the dashboard link which you can shareable dashboard link which you can share with your friends or your teammates. So yeah, do give it a try, and yeah, drop me a feedback. Yeah, thanks.